We'll be employing bass notes, snare notes, and ghost notes. Remember, ghost notes are simply notes that are unaccented but still form an integral part of the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. So practice with the metronome and slowly build your speed. Also, remember to use the forward finger method. It's a technique that allows you to play faster with less effort. That's it for Cajon Lesson 3 Beginner Series. Feel free to drop me any comments or questions that you might have. And if you like what I post, I'd be delighted if you subscribed to my channel. And if you have friends who play the cajon as well, do forward these videos to them. With that, stay safe, keep drumming, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.